If you try to open a JSF file, you might just see a blank web page. That's because this is server-side code. It needs to be processed by a Java server to actually show anything. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's look at how to view the source code properly. Here's a habit I've developed. I always keep a dedicated third-party file viewer installed. It's perfect for quickly troubleshooting basic JSF file rejection errors. Watch for more info on my top pick. We can trace the origins of the JSF extension back to the developer script file specification. It is coded using the standardized format known as JavaScript command file. A JSON script file used by Adobe Fireworks, a graphic editing tool. It is a simple text file containing commands, functions, and settings written in JavaScript. Its purpose is automating repetitive tasks such as resizing or exporting batches of graphics within the Fireworks application. Developed by Adobe, the design rules are straightforward. The file must follow JSON and JavaScript syntax standards to be read by the Fireworks engine. Unlike compiled formats, its integrity depends entirely on the accuracy of the scripting logic it contains, which is read and executed line by the application. The JSF file originated with and is formally handled by Adobe Fireworks, developed by Adobe Systems Incorporated. The operating system generally only reads the file's header information, not its full content. Windows does not convert script code into action, so it must be run through suitable software. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the JSF file and select Open with. Test Adobe Fireworks if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the JSF format uniquely. If the JSF file still will not open, there is no need to stress. It simply means we can't rely on the initial software anymore. I need you to take these 3 direct actions to effectively isolate the file error. First, verify JDK setup. Ensure your Java development kit, JDK, is correctly installed and configured. JDK 8 or higher is essential for compatibility. Next, configure IDE and libraries. Ensure your integrated development environment, IDE like Eclipse, is set up with support for Maven Gradle and the necessary JSF libraries. Finally, deploy to server. The file must be part of a larger application deployed on a Java EE compliant server like Apache Glassfish or Wildfly to execute correctly. If the failure of the open with method shows the problem is a direct association break, we must now use advanced analysis software. That's the method that works for many problematic JSF files. File magic is the secret weapon for a reason. Its powerful feature set includes instantly viewing the raw contents of the JSF file, even if Windows misidentifies the extension. Get your copy now at filemagic.com. Thank you for watching and supporting the channel. Spread the word about this fix. Please hit the like button and subscribe for my latest videos.